6th grade section B. Today I will show you how to build a robot T-Rex. Let's read instruction.
First, we assemble the solar panel. We will grab it replacing two pieces of tape at the face. Then add the solar panel. As we have enlarged the face of T-Rex, we will assemble the engine with the face assigned in the manual we have here. Then we put the tape together and add the legs. How we will arm the legs that support it. We will place these two pieces assigned into fit in the manual and complete a T-Rex, and that's how it ends.
And the finishes tell how the robot T-Rex are ready fully ironed. I hope you will see the video. Thanks for you watching this video. Goodbye, friends.